Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find help in Instacar. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on your profile there. Now you can just press on frequently asked questions and you can just simply select question here, and after that you will be able to find the answer to that question. Now as you can see, in this case it's in a different language, but you can just translate the entire page to understand basically what is it about. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.